I want to ask, who is Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu? He's the former governor of Lagos State. He's the national leader of All Progressive Congress. All of us know about it. Before we go forward, let's look at the attributes, the characteristics of a good leader. A good leader is a man that has vision. He has vision. That's why he is a good leader. A good leader is a man that has inspiration. He has it. That's why he is a good leader. And a leader is born and not made. That's a good leader for you. He has strategic and critical thinking. He thinks very well. That is the qualities, the good qualities of a good leader. Then a good leader is open-minded. And then he's creative, flexibility, responsibility, and dependability. That's the qualities and attributes of a good leader. He is one. He is a very good leader. You can say for yourself that we have a leader in him. Come 2023, he is our president because he has the attributes and characteristics of a good leader. Then a good leader has patience and tenacity, continuous improvements. He is one of a good leader. That's what I said, that a leader is born and not made. Then let's look at the 7 points agenda on leadership. He promised to provide transformational leadership that will unite Nigerians together. We need unity in Nigeria. We need a leader that will unite us together. We don't need a leader that will tribalize. We don't need a leader that is criticizes. So he is a good leader because we have seen how he led Lagos. We have seen what he did in Lagos. So that is why we said he is a good leader. So number 2 is technology. He promised to provide it for us. Yes. Nigeria needs it a lot. You see the stage, see the level we are now. Going through many difficulties. A graduate will finish school, he will be looking for a job. Mothers, see how they are suffering on the road. You see a pregnant woman walking, and a baby at the back, another one walking, and then task force will come and destroy her goods. She cries for. Mothers are suffering so much, so we need a good leader that will take care of mothers. Mothers, have I said in your mind? Yes, that's what we need. Mothers have been crying a lot. They have been passing through many difficulties. Some of them are breadwinners in their families. So we need a good leader to wipe mothers' tears. That is the good leader. He is the one that will do it for us. Then he will come to infrastructure. He promised to provide 24 hours electricity. Yes, that is what he said. See what we are passing through on electricity. Some areas, 1 month, 2 months, they are not even seeing light. So that is what we need. We need a good leader to make us happy, to make Nigerians happy. So he will do it for us. Then another one is homegrown business to enable Nigerians feed well. Nigerians need to feed well. Yes, so many people don't eat 3 square meals a day. Am I right? So that is what we need. We need a leader to feed well, to eat. Some people are starving. Yes, some farmers, they cannot even go to their farmlands because of, you know what I mean. So that is it. So he's the one that will do it for us. He's a good leader. So please, here's the attributes and qualities of a good leader. Education. He wants to make sure that he provides basic education to all to improve learning. Yes, you can see what is happening on the education today. Teachers on strikes, lecturers on strikes. A course that is supposed to read 4 years, we read it 6 years because of strikes. So that is it. That's why our students are going out of the country to read. So that is why we need a good leader so that he will stabilize the education. Then, through federalism, we need a good leader to promote all these things. We need prosperity and progress. So that if Nigeria is good, if Nigeria is a good country, why are we going outside the country to eat. Why are we going to look for green pastures? So we need a good leader to make Nigeria stable so that you and me will enjoy Nigeria. Thank you very much.